Okay, some new products. We've got the chunky powders in the metallic now. In addition to the clear, white, and black, now we have gold, silver, and copper. And we've titled all of them Deep Impression, and we've said chunky as well. Over here, we have what we're calling Seasoning, and this is a mix of all the chunky metallics. And if you want to do an encrusted jewel technique, simply sprinkling it, you can add it and mix it into any embossing powder color, or simply melt another sprinkled layer over the top. If you do a whole thick layer of it all at once, it will be thick enough to make your deep impression into all in one go. So that will be a nice addition. The jumbo leaves that we've had up till now were more realistic, and now we've added a second pen pattern design to them. And the beauty of it is we've created the die set to work with both stamp sets or simply as a shape to emboss or glitter or whatever else you want. And I found a very helpful thing. If you choose to stamp them in clusters and you position all three on the jumbo handle, then every time you stamp it in that configuration, you can also cut it in that configuration. And I've actually taped my dies together, and I lift the whole batch of dies and reposition it to go even faster with handfuls of leaves. We've also added in the large jars a glitter mix, which is very dynamic for copper, gold, and silver, giving us what we need for leaves and snowflakes. And as you pour it out over glue or any adhesive, you're going to get a beautiful mix however it lands. And this is what you're seeing here with the gold mix, and it really is a deluxe because you've got all these different textures to it, and the copper as well. And over here we have the sticky panels, and if you choose to laminate the sticky panels to white or different colors of paper, ours cuts very well with the wafer dies, and you can peel away that surface and cover it completely with the Lux silver or anything else you like. This one is the Lux silver. This is just shaved ice, and this one is the halo crystal over white or over blue paper. So lots of beautiful effects. Like we did with the leaves, we have two snowflake stamp sets. Here's the other one that both coordinate with the same die set. And we've used them in a whole bunch of different ways, as you can see here, to highlight another option. And I'll show here, we've put ideal for use with the encrusted jewel technique. And basically, we've given a mix of silver, a mix of snow, and a midnight mix, which is going to work great for Halloween, but also just a very elegant midnight black. So we're calling it Spoonful of to imply the way we're using it in a little bit different way. So on the back of the package, we've done some simple diagrams to show the encrusted jewel technique. And when you open the package, the other side of this printout is showing how we recommend cutting away the flap and pouring out of the bag into the tray. So this is the easy way to work with it. It mixes in the tray. You can get more or less of different things a little bit, but you're always going to get embossing powder. So one little toss of this on your paper is always going to work for the encrusted jewel technique. And so you can simply sprinkle it or use it over the adhesive, and our sticky panels can take the heat of the embossing process without peeling up, so that gives you a beautiful embossed look. Or over here, I've done an encrusted combination of the Spoonful of Snow and another sprinkling of the Lux Silver. So I hope you'll try a bunch of different things with that and give us